Hello there, Taylor with the Multi-Info Report. So it looks like we've got 3 areas of probability, but really these are the same thing as monitored by 2 different government agencies, yes. So we've got low chance of tropical cyclone formation out here in the North Indian Ocean, and then this general area, JTWC has this as a medium chance of tropical cyclone formation, whereas the Bureau of Meteorology has it currently as a very low, but getting this high as a low. So some disagreement as to the potential of that area. And if you look at it on the satellite, here is apparently the low, and then somewhere in here is the Bureau of Meteorology / JTWC, very low / medium. Right, so that is basically all that is going on as of the moment there. So we switch on over to United States, severe thunderstorm weather. We've got warnings in effect, most of them are flash floods. No watches though, however, there is a mesoscale discussion in effect talking of a possible watch, so 40% chance of watch issuance for that area for storms kicking off later on. Here were the warnings that were in effect as of the time I refreshed the page. So 3 flash flood, 2 severe thunderstorm, and they're going the wrong direction. They're supposed to, generally take an easterly-like path. So that's weird, right? When it goes the wrong way. Yeah, tell it to take a U-turn. I have no idea what I'm talking about. Here is today's general wind map. So this would be the chance of 58 mile per hour and greater winds. Here's the chance of 1 inch or larger hail, so as high as 15 over there, and then the 5% for that area. Tornadoes are apparently not a huge threat today, as there are no official outlook areas. Tomorrow adds a significant severe weather event. So first, let's take a look at the map. So just the shaded stuff, or the colors, the solid colors are indicating that you've got as high as a 15%, and then the black hatched area is where the significant severe weather is. So if you read at the bottom, they don't come out right out and say it, but it says primary threats will be isolated large hail and damaging wind gusts. So I'm going to guess they generally use the words very large hail when they're talking about significant. But it says overall tornado threat does not appear particularly robust. That's a good word. But so, significant weather events, so significant severe thunderstorm-related threats could be, instead of 58 mile per hour and greater winds, it could be 75 mile per hour and greater. Instead of 1 inch or larger hail, it's 2 inch or larger hail. Instead of just any size of a tornado, it's an EF2 or greater. So most of the time, when they don't specifically talk about threats, it generally ends up being a chance of very large hail, so the 2 inch or larger. So that is my guess. However, tomorrow, they break it down into the composite, whatever the wind, hail, and tornado threat, and then we'll find out officially. Day 3, 15% chance for 2 different areas. However, you'll see no black hatched areas, so that's good. Of course, doesn't mean that they can change their minds later. And then days 4 through 8 are predictability too low, so there is some severe thunderstorm areas potentially in severe thunderstorm weather in days 4 through 8, but right now there's not enough certainty, yes. SevereWeatherTV.com is the official homepage of the screencast. Wix is WICKEDWX.com, and SecLooking is CYCLOCANE.com. We turn on everything, there we go. That is it for today. Hopefully you're staying safe out there.